Hello Internet, this is the HTML tutor here back with another lesson for you today. This is lesson 23, and in today's lesson we will discover how to use a new tag today. It is called the division tag. Let's check it out. Alright, so here's the new tag right here, the div tag, or as we like to call it, the division tag. It has a few attributes for it. It has the attribute with the style, of course, for width, for height, and even for background color. And just a small example for you right here, so that way you can see how basically it's used. But before we get into that, I mean, honestly, this tag is probably the most versatile tag you'll come across in HTML. What it does is it allows you to divide your page into containers or different sections. This will especially come in handy when you learn CSS later on. With this, you'll be able to style different parts of your web page individually. So, alright, like I said before, this is basically how it looks like in a small little web page. You got your div, you put the style attribute right after it, equal sign, don't forget the quotation marks, width, followed by a colon, and I put it at 100 pixels, semicolon, so they could divide it into the next attribute. You could just keep going from there. Just put height at right after, the same exact format, and then again, separated by a semicolon, and background color. And don't forget that little hyphen with a colon and red. We just decided to call it red. We can actually go ahead and make it green if you wanted to. And there we go. And if you wanted to see how that looked, here it is right here. Basically it. That's your div tag in a nutshell. It basically just goes ahead and it cuts off a piece of that web page, and whatever is inside of it is contained within that div. I mean, right now all it does is just make a green box, but later on we can show you a little bit more techniques to make a far more interesting website using the div tag and CSS. So that's basically it. So let's exercise those HTML muscles. Complete the following. 1. Create a web page using basic HTML. 2. Within the body of the page, create 4 divisions. 3. Make the first division with a width of 50, the height of 10, and a background color red. Make the first division with a width of 50, height of 10, and a background color yellow. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I really do that? I did not have any coffee today. First, second, third, and fourth. This is what happens when the best part of waking up is not having Folgers in your cup. So anyway, make the second division with the width of 50, height of 10, and a background color of yellow. Make the third division with the width of 50, height of 10, and a background color of green. And the fourth division, same old, with a background color of purple. Save it as lesson23.html and complete the assignment. Good luck. This ends lesson 23. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content, so that way you don't miss out on the HTML tutors, latest and greatest. So, just smash that like button if it just so happens to float your boat. I mean, you don't have to. I'm just saying. I mean, not like I care. I mean, it's not like it puts food on my table or anything. But yeah, this is HTML Tutor signing out.